Alright guys, sorry, looks like my camera stopped recording. So this is a continuation, part 2 of the unboxing of Batman, Liu Kang from Mortal Kombat 11, and Superman. Just showing you guys what they look like outside the box, unboxed. So as you can see here, here's Batman, Liu Kang, and Superman. You can see that they're significantly bigger than Batman, and Superman are significantly bigger than Liu Kang, but that's cool. That's okay. Um, so, like I said, these are inexpensive, collectible type item, toys of, classic characters. Everybody knows who Batman is, Superman, and 99% of the people know who Liu Kang is from Mortal Kombat. So this is basically what Batman looks like. There's the cape there. And basically show you how he moves. So his head does tilt slightly to the left and to the right. I wouldn't recommend trying to turn his head all the way around, as it doesn't look like it would be a good thing, so I wouldn't extend it that much. His arm does move up and down. His hand twists in and out, left, right, all the way around. His forearm slightly moves, but not too much. It does bend up and down a little bit. And then you have his legs, which goes in and out from his kneecaps. Very good build quality, I would say. Like I said, this toy I think cost me about $10. Batman maybe 10, 11. So very good build quality for an inexpensive price. Then we have Liu Kang. I do want to let you know that the nunchucks are not attached. They can come out. They were not in. I put them in his hand. Basically, his package comes with the nunchucks, an extra set of hands, and then this little plate that you stick his foot on. I guess so you can do it in either direction, but there's only one hole. There's only one little tab for you to stick his feet in, and then the other one I guess just rests like that, and I guess they put it on both sides so you can switch it off. Then of course it says Mortal Kombat on there, and basically his head doesn't really move too much, so very little movement there, so I wouldn't put too much pressure on that. His arm does go all the way up, and looks like it swings all the way around, and his hand goes all the way around, and then of course it bends. His forearm bends in and out. That's basically it for that. His stomach area does bend slightly in and out, slightly, very little. And then hand movements are the same for his right arm or left arm, depending on which direction you're looking at it at. His feet do twist, it seems, all the way around. So his feet twist all the way around. They do, and his actual feet go up and down, so you can give him a better balance, I guess. His knees do bend slightly. Slight movement there, just I guess to give him better standing position. Not too much movement there. His legs do go up and down a little bit, I guess to give him that kicking position that he's known for. So they do go up a little bit. Not as much as they should, probably. Oh, wait. No, they do. Okay. You just gotta put a little pressure there. But yeah, they do come out more. So that's cool. That's what the back looks like. It's supposed to be his belt. Cool. And then last but not least, here's Superman. There's his cape. Also pretty good build quality, very good build quality. This was also about $10. Hand twists all the way around. His forearm bends in and out and all the way around. His arm completely twists over, so that's cool. So very good movement. Superman. Same for the other side. And then up and down. Right. It's the cape. Not sure if I showed you that. Back. Alright, his head does not go up or down, but dun dun dun, he's the exorcist. Dun dun dun. It does go all the way around, so that's cool. And his legs extend very well, very high. I gotta check Batman if his legs, I don't remember if they go up that much. And then his knees bend. No bending on the actual feet area. Alright, let's see if Batman can kick that high. I forgot to test that. Yes, he can. So Batman also can kick high. And then the knees, of course. Knees bend. No foot movement. But they're pretty much identical, except Superman's head spins all the way around and Batman's doesn't. But yeah, guys, that's it. Again, my apologies for not making this all one video. It stopped recording. Not sure why that happened. But anyway, as always, I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you are interested in some kind of cool little collectible style gadgets like this, little toys like this, I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys are interested. I think it's a good way to kind of get some collection going, but not break the bank. So, good enough for me anyway. Alright guys, take care. Bye.